this lesson, you will learn what is BPMN, also known as Business Process Model and Notation. Let's begin with the context. It all starts with a business process. Business processes are critical to keeping your business on track and organized. Optimizing business processes can help you avoid mistakes and delays, improving cost effectiveness, productivity, supplier relationships, and customer satisfaction. Therefore, one of the most important elements of every business analyst's toolkit is process modeling, which is also a significant activity for business process management professionals. Business process management, or BPM, is a systematic approach for designing, executing, documenting, monitoring, and controlling both automated and non-automated processes. So, what is BPMN and what is its role in business process management? BPMN, or Business Process Model and Notation, is an open standard notation for business process modeling and process automation. BPMN specifies an agreed set of symbols for process modeling. BPMN is a powerful language for modeling simple or complex business processes. The Object Management Group, or OMG, is responsible for the maintenance of the BPMN standard.